magkikis po yung dove. Oh, pero dapat magkikis din yung couple.
Sabay po, sabay.
Oh, kiss po yung dove. Sir, hindi ko bibigan. Hinuyunos din. Okay, ready? Oh, kiss naman po yung couple. At syempre maraming salamat sa mga nagpalakpakan. So moving in sa our cake cutting po. Salamat. Getting ready also for our wine toasting together with the best man and the maid of honor.
How much I love you.
Welcome, the beautiful bride at ang kanyang father. Maraming salamat. That is one of the majors on the only radio. Johnny Edsel and Pierre. Palakpakan.